Your roof is one of the most important investments you'll ever make in your home. It protects your property from the elements, boosts curb appeal, and contributes to your home's overall value. Whether you need a repair, replacement, or inspection, choosing the right roofing company in Troy can make all the difference. Here's everything you need to know to ensure you're hiring a trusted professional, like My Quality Windows, Roofing, Siding, and more of Troy, for your next roofing project. Look for experience and local expertise when it comes to roofing. Experience matters. A seasoned company not only knows how to handle different roof types and materials but also understands the unique challenges of Troy's weather. From heavy snow in winter to humid summers, a local roofing expert knows what works best for the region. My Quality Windows, Roofing, Siding, and more of Troy has built a strong reputation by serving the local community with years of hands-on experience. Their team is familiar with the area's climate, building codes, and common roofing issues, making them a trusted choice for homeowners in Troy and nearby areas. Verify licensing, insurance, and certifications. One of the first things to check when choosing a roofing company is their licensing and insurance status. A legitimate contractor should carry proper state licenses and both liability and workers' compensation insurance. This protects you from being held responsible for accidents or damage during the project. You should also ask about certifications from roofing material manufacturers. Certified installers often receive specialized training, ensuring they follow the highest industry standards. Companies like My Quality Windows, Roofing, Siding, and more of Troy take pride in maintaining these credentials, offering customers peace of mind and long-lasting results. Check reviews and references. Customer reviews are an excellent way to gauge the quality of service a roofing company provides. Look for consistent feedback regarding professionalism, punctuality, communication, and workmanship. Don't hesitate to ask for references from recent projects. Reputable companies will gladly provide them. My Quality Windows, Roofing, Siding, and more of Troy has earned glowing reviews for their reliability, transparent pricing, and exceptional customer care. Homeowners often highlight their attention to detail and the quality of their finished roofs, siding, and windows. Evaluate material options and warranties. A quality roofing company should offer a wide range of materials and explain the pros and cons of each option based on your home's needs and budget. Whether you're considering asphalt shingles, metal roofing, or energy-efficient options, you deserve to understand the lifespan, appearance, and maintenance requirements of each material. You should also inquire about warranties, both on materials and labor. My Quality Windows, Roofing, Siding, and more of Troy stands behind their work with strong warranties, ensuring customers get lasting value and protection. Get a detailed written estimate. Transparency is key when it comes to pricing. Always request a written estimate that clearly outlines labor costs, materials, timelines, and any additional fees. A trustworthy company will take the time to explain the estimate and answer your questions, never pressuring you into a decision. Homeowners in Troy appreciate that My Quality Windows, Roofing, Siding, and more of Troy provides detailed, honest quotes without hidden charges. Their team believes in upfront communication, ensuring customers know exactly what to expect. Consider the full home exterior. While your roof is vital, it's also important to think about how it complements the rest of your home's exterior. A company that offers multiple services, like roofing, windows, and siding, can provide cohesive results that enhance your home's overall look and performance. That's what sets My Quality Windows, Roofing, Siding, and more of Troy apart. Their comprehensive services mean you can work with one trusted team for all your exterior improvement needs, ensuring consistent quality and design throughout. Final thoughts: choosing the right roofing company in Troy doesn't have to be stressful. By focusing on experience, credentials, transparency, and customer satisfaction, you can find a contractor who will deliver quality and peace of mind. With its long-standing reputation for excellence, My Quality Windows, Roofing, Siding, and more of Troy exemplifies what homeowners should look for: expert craftsmanship, dependable service, and genuine care for the customer's home. When it's time to repair or replace your roof, turn to a local company that treats your home as if it were their own.